So now let's see how we can work around with guided object removal inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here you can see that I have an image right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the guided tab right here. And once I go around over here, you can see that guided object removal is an option right here. So you can remove unwanted objects out, and you can see a sample over here as well. So once you click on this, what happens is that you get the tools right here related with object removals. Let's say, for example, there's brush right here, as you can see. So you can go around and use up the brush right here to do selections, and you can go around and then use, let's say, for example, auto tool right here to make a selection right here just like this, and add in, let's say, auto selections over here just like that. And over here you can see that you can decrease the selection by using the subtract option over here as well. But I'm just going to go around onto the add and just select this portion right here. And once you do that, over here you can see remove object is a button right here. It's an option. So by using the selection tools that you like, you can select out the portion, click on remove object right here, and the object will be removed easily, as you can see. You can also go around, use lasso tool, and select out an object freely right here and click on remove object. And what happens is that the object will be removed and AI will use to fill out the area, as you can see just like that. You can also access the spot healing brush tool right here, as you can see, which can also be used for removing objects. So you can go around right here and then just draw out, as you can see, and they can be removed. Let me just right click so that I get the brushes option right here. So you can go around and select out, let's say, bigger brushes like 100 point brushes, and you can go around, paint around, and you can see that it removes out the spots right here just like this. You can also use the clone stamp tool right here, which allows you to select out the brush size, and you can select, let's say, for example, a sample by holding Alt on your keyboard, and you can click on other parts right here and then just draw around, as you can see just like this. So you can go around and draw around over here just like this. So you can go around over here and hold Alt right here, click just like this, and there you go. So you can go around and paint out the things, as you can see right there. So that is how you can go around and utilize the guided object removal option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.